Welcome Tech with Damir. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a copy of your folder which has subfolders in a Google Drive. So here I'm in Google Drive, and you can see I have a template folder that has subfolders in it. So one of the problem right here, if I go to three dots or try to do anything, I cannot make a copy of this folder and rename it. My goal is to make copies of this one because I want to follow the same template and then put some videos in those folders. So in this case, what I have done, I have downloaded the Google Drive for desktop, and you can look for it on the Google and then download and install. Once that's installed, it's going to be easy, and we can perform this action real quick. So let me take you right there, and you can see that I would like to make the copy of this template, and here I have installed my Google Drive. Then I'm going to go for open drive folder, and once I open it, it's going to show me my window right here. So you can see right here, and this is my drive. And now in the my drive, I'm going to go to the Quran and Arabic learning, and that's where my folder is under publish videos. So that's the template. I'm going to make a copy of this one and then right click here and paste. So you can see right there a template copy is created. So let's refresh. It is taking a little bit time, but no big deal. So you can see that template copy folder is created, and if I open this one, this has all those folders that I would like to create. So let me go back here. So I want to rename this one, so I'm going to open the website, and here is my website, and I would like to rename something like this one. So I'm going to say halakha, so I will copy this. This has some Arabic and some English, so that's fine. And then I'm going to open this folder again, and here I'm going to right click on that folder and rename. So that will make a copy of our template folder. See right there, so no problem, I can open this one, and inside this we have all those folders that are present in our template folder. So let's go to the template folder one more time, and we can just say Control C and Control V. That will do the same thing. We don't have to right click and say copy and then paste. So here let's say you want to make a lot of copies, so Control C and Control V multiple times, and then it's going to create the copies of your template folder. So you can see I have copy 2, copy 3 and 4. Now from here, even I don't need to rename them. If I don't want to, I can go back to my Google Drive here, and by using the URL, and inside the URL I can see those templates copies are present as well. So now if I need to rename, let me go back here, and in case if I want to go back here and I would like to rename something like this, so in this case I'm going to copy this text, and here I will go, and this is my template copy. So right here I will click on three dots, then click rename, and then paste right there. So this is one way to rename my folders, and you can see that there wasn't really quick way I can make a copy of this template folder and rename to different folders. So this was very helpful by using the Google Drive for desktop, and that helped me to create different copies of my template folder. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.